Hey friends, if you wish to fix unknown hard error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is a clean boot. And how would you perform a clean boot on your system? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab and then you can check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, then click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The last solution will be system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Next, choose a good restore point. Next, and then click on finish to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.